Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Path Traversal vulnerability. A Path Traversal vulnerability, also known as Directory Traversal, is a security flaw that allows an attacker to access files and directories that are stored outside the web root folder. By manipulating variables that reference files with // sequences and its variations, attackers can navigate to directories and access sensitive information such as configuration files, sensitive system files, or other data that should not be accessible. Don't worry, I will make it clear by doing this practical. This is a shopping site where multiple products are available for purchase. When I select this product, we can see in the URL it is defining the product ID. By injecting the command in this URL, we will try to execute them in the victim machine. See, each product is having an ID and that is showing in the URL. I am opening this image in a new tab. See, in the URL we have another option for injecting the command. At first I will try injecting the command in this URL. Like I told you in the beginning, I am trying // then after /etc passwords. But here there is no vulnerability to explore, that's why we are getting an error. You may be wondering why we have to provide // I will explain the reason behind it. Here I am opening a terminal in my Linux machine. My present working directory is root, but if I type cd space // that is may taking you to the previous working directory. The location before the root directory is /. After reaching the / directory, how many times you type cd space // it doesn't matter, we cannot go behind that. By typing cd space // I am moving to one directory back. See here, by typing ls command with // I am listing the content of etc directory. Now I am trying the same command in the image URL. See, this time there is no error message coming up, which means the code execute at the destination. This is how we exploit the Path Traversal vulnerability. Now we will learn another approach. In this approach, again I am going for the image URL. And I am trying the same method with a //. But now this method is not working because the security implementation is blocking //. I am directly providing etc password. Here, by directly providing etc password, we bypass the security implementation. Now we will discuss about exploiting the same vulnerability in another approach. At first we will try the same old two methods and we confirm it is not working anymore. We can see it is removing ... again. So we will try 4 dots followed by 2 slashes. If the security code is removing ... then the remaining 2 dots and 1 slash will come together. And finally we have bypassed that security implementation also. Now I will show you another approach. Here the previous 3 methods will not work. To solve this lab we have to perform URL encoding. URL encoding means the URL will be encoded using a ASCII character. I am copying this ... to a website, where I can convert it into URL encode format. But it didn't work, so I am going to perform encoding 2 times. And again we successfully bypass the security measures.